Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to upload a new profile picture on Skype account on an Android device. Well, knowing how to upload a new profile picture on Skype allows you to personalize your account and make it easier for your contact to recognize you. A profile picture adds a personal touch to your account and can make your profile more engaging and memorable. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first go ahead and open Skype application on your device. Okay, so now tap on profile icon at the top left corner. And then look for Skype profile and tap on the option. Well, so here click profile template and you can take a photo of yourself or select the picture from your gallery here. Okay, after selecting the photo, and here you can edit it according to your needs, whether if you want to add a text or ink, even if you want to crop the photo. Well, after that, click the side arrow to upload your new profile picture. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to upload a new profile picture on Skype account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.